5 tips for your nightly protective style routine. Tip 1. Cleanse your edges of any product residue. Any dirt, lint, debris, makeup that gets into contact with the product in your hair will stick to it and cause buildup faster. It's very important to clean your edges. Tip 2. To avoid cotton buildup at the base of your braids, wrap your hair in a satin scarf or bonnet before you change clothes. Tip 3. Wash your silk pillowcase. If you use a silk pillowcase instead of a headscarf or bonnet, be sure to wash it at least once per week. Tip 4. Secure your hair overnight. While wearing lengthy protective styles, secure your hair into a ponytail or bun to avoid snagging overnight. By securing your hair, you avoid accumulating flyaways, unnecessary strain on your scalp, and collecting any lint, dirt, food, crumbs, or anything else that might be in your bed. Tip 5. Make sure your braids are completely dry before bed. To avoid odor and matting, you have to make sure that your braids are completely dry. Sleeping with wet hair can cause fungal infections on your scalp, and your hair is at its weakest when it's wet, so a good rule of thumb is to not disturb it even more by rolling around in your bed.